Is their darkness. That's why they don't want you around. This individual feels as if they can't be who they pretend to be whenever you are around. They give off a sense of someone that is free-spirited, very jovial. You know, someone that is for the people. But it's all a facade. This person's stagnated, they're stuck. This person is very consumed with the 3D to the point where they will throw anyone under the bus to gain whatever it is that they want to gain. With you around, they feel like you expose the truth of who they are. They pretend to be all high vibrational. They pretend to be spiritual. They pretend to be grounded. They pretend to be for everyone. It's so further from the truth. This person doesn't care about anyone but themselves. This person is only out for what they can get, even if it means stagnating you and others. Deep down, this person is very, very depressed. They're going through a lot of pain, a lot of heartbreak, and they feel that with you, you radiate so much love. You are at peace with yourself. This is something that they can't contain within self. So whenever they are around you, they feel uneased. They are disconnected from source. They are disconnected from themselves. They see you as beautiful. They see you as powerful. They see you as someone that doesn't need anyone to leech off. They see that people are drawn to you. They see that you are of love, and they want to embody these traits, but they don't know how to. Whenever you are around, it makes this person feel as if they are inadequate. This person feels like they should be more higher than you for some reason. For some of you, they make more money than you. For others of you, this person just feels as if you are their competition and they should seize all the goodness out of life. And in their view, the goodness out of life equates to money, finances, titles. They feel like you shouldn't get much. They could also feel as if you should do without love, do without support, do without a good job, do without money. They want to be on top. The only way that they feel that they will be better than you is if they get certain things that they value before you. But they won't. Because they know deep down that you are deserving of great things. They can sense or they can see that you are on your way to major blessings. Now, these blessings could be blessings in regards to your romantic life, in regards to your creativity, your creative career. You know, they see that people want to invest in you. They see that people want to befriend you, be in a relationship with you, partner up with you creatively. You see, within you, you have so much spark. You have so much zest for life. People love your charm. People love talking to you. People love learning from you. You know, this individual sees you as an innovator. This individual sees you in the light that you are in. Someone that is just masterful at their craft. Someone that is just at peace with themselves. Someone that is hardworking, ambitious. Someone that has an electric energy that captivates others. Someone that is actually magnetic. This person yearns to be seen in this same light. They can foresee or they feel that you are going to be granted with many blessings and abundance in this lifetime. And it's two things. Either they feel like if they are around you, they can block these blessings. Or for some of you, they feel like they can't be around you because they can't bear to see how others take to you, how others want to invest in you, how others want to love you, how others want to befriend you and take care of you. So they could isolate themselves from you, but behind the scenes plot about how they're going to sabotage you or try to compete with you so that they get things that they think that you're going to get before you. Now, the thing is, if this individual has been working in this energy of trying to sabotage you, whether knowingly or unknowingly, whatever it is that they want to get before you, they won't get it. You know, their mask is going to slip. I done a video about this a couple of days ago. You may want to go and check that out. Their mask is going to slip. And even if it's not in the immediate future, this individual or these people will find that whatever they're rushing towards will not be rushing towards them. They're going to miss out on a lot of opportunities. They're going to see that you are going to be expanding in all areas of your life. You know, your career is going to expand. Your creativity is going to expand. Your investments are going to expand. Your love life is going to expand. Some of you could get pregnant with your first child, or a child if you've got children already. Your money is going to expand. The love in your life is going to expand. Your health is going to get better and expand. Your beauty is going to expand. The way you take care of yourself is going to expand. The way people take to you and pour into you is going to expand. The way your partner loves on you, the way romantic suitors want to date you is going to expand. These are the things that this individual or these people wanted to block. They wanted to target your confidence. They wanted you to feel less than, because they feel inadequate whenever they are around you. Whatever blockages they try to put up in your way, whether overtly or covertly, will not work anymore. These blockages will only work in their own lives. They're going to go through huge tower moments, because they felt like by slowing you down, by putting blocks and stops in your path, you wouldn't get anywhere. And they're going to be in the energies that they wanted you to be in. They wanted you to be in lack. They wanted you to be without, because their fear of being around you got too much. That for some of you, they didn't even realize they were working in this energy, but the jealousy and the envy was consuming them to the point where they felt like they had to stop you. They had to destroy you. Because in their view, they are supposed to be seen more higher than you. Whenever you're not around, maybe in some cases, people dote on this individual. People, you know, sing praises to this individual, but it's all built on faulty ground. This individual is hiding behind a mask. It's a lie. And whenever you are around, you reveal this lie because you are in your authentic state. And that's why this individual or these people have behaved this way with you. They may have pushed you out. They may have not invited you out. It was all due to the fact that you shine a light, or you shine a light into who they are not. You are the embodiment of who they want to be. So having you around, it doesn't serve this individual. You are everything that this person wants to be. And in their view, you get all the blessings that they have to fight tooth and nail to get. And it's not even that hard. Because this individual refuses to do the inner work. Or these people, they refuse to do the inner work. They want to take shortcuts. But those shortcuts are going to be met with blockages. They like to sneak and connive and do the most. And so when things don't work out for them, they're shocked. They don't understand that whatever they put into the universe, they get back. So they've been putting in a lot of deceit, a lot of blockages, a lot of trying to outsmart others, trickery, you know, thieving, destiny swapping in some cases. They don't understand it's going to happen back to them. Because this individual is going to start seeing that their blessings, all those shortcuts that they took to get to their blessings, are not going to unfold. Because they're in demon devil energy, you see. And only until they start doing the inner work, getting the help that they need, unpacking why they behave this way with you and others, maybe, because we all have free will, maybe they can start to receive what they want. But this individual is very obsessed with money, with status, and they'll do the most to get what they want. They have no loyalty to anyone, not even to themselves. You know, for some of you, this individual was very obsessed, or they are obsessed with your love life. Maybe they want a love suitor to want them, or maybe they want to have what you have. Maybe they try to intervene so that your partner doesn't marry you or something of that sort. Maybe they're, jealous of your looks, your creativity, how you mind your own business and how your business is actually flourishing. There's a lot going on here. And this person is stuck and stagnated in an energy of envy and jealousy to the point where it made them stoop to underhanded means to destroy you. But the thing is, whilst they have been fixating on trying to destroy you and stop and block you, they ended up destroying themselves. Or they are actually ending up destroying themselves. It's actually playing out in their life right now with the Devil card. Because you are a reflection of who they can become. Because no one said that you had it easy. They don't know what went on behind the scenes for you to even get into the position that you're in right now. Again, this person likes to take shortcuts. They got an energy of, it's not fair. I'm seeing a vision of Veruca Salt, in Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, that sport little girl. This is the energy that they are in, regardless of their age. They can't bear to see anyone doing better than them. And yet they want the praises and the blessings. This person does not like to put in the work. This person wants all the adoration, all the abundance without putting in the work, without having to be a nice person. They don't think that they have to be nice. They think people have to bow down to them. It doesn't work like that. They look down on people. They categorize people. But in the public eye, they present that they are for the people. It's all fake. This person is not leading to greatness. Not in the now. And if they continue in this way, not in the future either.